Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this Lego alligator right here. So, let's start by taking him apart so that I can show you how to build him. Alright, now that I've got all of the pieces disassembled, I can show you what you'll need. So, first, you'll need 2 eyes. Doesn't matter what kind of eyes. So, you can get those. Next, you'll need these cone pieces that are white. I need 6. Like so. Next, you're gonna need this jumper piece. You're gonna need one 1x2 flat piece. 4 1x2 slope pieces, 1 2x4 flat piece, 1 2x2 flat piece, and then 2 pale green 1x2s, 1 2x6, and 1 smooth 1x3. So now I can show you how to build it. So let's move all of these aside. First, we're gonna need our 2x6. Then we're gonna need our 1x2 jumper piece, and then our 1x3 smooth piece. And that's our alligator's tail. Next, we're gonna need 2 legs. Then a 1x2 piece in between. Then we're gonna need 2 more legs and a 1x2 piece in between. So then you're gonna need to place 2 of his teeth here. Next, let's work on all his other teeth. It's best to do it upside down so it's easy to place. Like this. And then you can put it right on top. I'm gonna put this piece right here. And we're gonna need our 1x2 flat piece to put on top. But there's one thing missing. Where's his face? That's why we need our googly eyes. Let's put our eyes right here. Oh. That's our little alligator. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll like, subscribe, and share to other people. I'll see you next time. Bye.